Assalamualaikum and hi! In this video, we will cover the introduction of our product, problem statement, objective, novelty, followed by benefits to the user and society, and lastly, commercialization potential of our product. Let us begin with the introduction of Eplantea.
So for introduction, the use of indoor plants as interior decor have grown in popularity and become a new trend. So particularly for young people. However, indoor plants are challenging to maintain for people who are frequently busy working or studying. So because they do not have time to water and consider the health of their plants. So therefore, our product self-watering and sensor plant, which is Eplantea, is introduced to help to take care of their plants without worrying about the damage that will happen to the plants. Moreover, none of the products on the market are sold with the features found on Eplantea, and most of the products offer have functions that are not required compared to our product. Our product are aimed at workers or students, tourists, and those who love to grow plants because Eplantea can help them to take care of their plants. So therefore, we will try to solve their problem by introducing our product that will assist them in caring for the plants.
Thank you, Aidil. Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Fatiha binti Abu Hanifah and I will continue to explain the problem statements. First and foremost, planting necessitates hard work and careful attention. Houseplants are experiencing a new boom in popularity. Plant care, on the other hand, is not simple. Many people fail to keep their plants healthy and eventually kill them. Because of the differences in the environment, indoor planting necessitates specific care and attention. We must water it on a regular basis, monitor soil moisture, provide proper lighting, and so on. Plants will be stressed as a result of poor maintenance because they are sensitive to their surroundings. The stresses include a shortage of water, overwatering, temperature changes, and reduced sunlight. As previously said, planting requires specific maintenance, including the need to regularly water the plants. As a result, there is a shortage of time and it does not match with the current lifestyle. This is due to the fact that some people are preoccupied with their everyday work or tasks. As a result of their hectic schedule, they often forget to water their plants. Furthermore, persons who travel frequently will not always be at home to care for the plants. At worst, they are simply too lazy to do it. As a result, the plant was left untreated and eventually died. Many individuals adore plants but are fearful of committing to better care for them, stopping them from having plants indoors. Overwatering is the most common mistake people make when caring for plants. Plant enthusiasts are constantly wondering, how much water should I give my plant? Watering houseplants may appear to be a simple task, but many of us struggle to get it right. The most important care for a houseplant is probably watering it, but many plants have finicky moisture requirements that are difficult to predict. These frequently result in overwatering, which not only wastes water but can also harm the plants, effectively killing a plant with kindness. Because plant roots cannot absorb oxygen when submerged in water, overwatering is the most common cause of indoor plant death. I think that's all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Fatin. Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Nazir bin Nasmi, and now I will talk about objective of our product, Eplantea. The major objective of this project or Eplantea is to help tree growers simplify their regular operation. Caring for this tree is a difficult undertaking if it's not highlighted or given the best care. This is because each variety of tree has unique traits that farmers must learn in order to properly care for it. As a result, the presence of Eplantea can limit producers' attempt to focus too much on their crops. Users no longer need to do routine tree maintenance since Eplantea will always look after the tree's health. In fact, The needs of the tree will always be observed and the user will always know the condition of the tree without managing it regularly. Furthermore, the objective of this e-Plantea initiative is to assist tree farmers by saving time, as well as we know, tree maintenance is a long-term job that involves daily or weekly monitoring. As a result, this has proved problematic for tree farmers that operate on a tight timeline. This is because they are unable to split their time between their job and their passion for tree planting. We can identify where tree farmers are unable to provide complete care to their crops owing to time restriction. In reality, family matters contribute to the reduction of their spare time. As a result, the features included in e-Plantea enable users to follow their interests even while they are preoccupied with their regular activities. Then, helping in water saving also become one of the objectives for e-Plantea. It will save not only on water use and bills, but also on the time spent watering. Most experts agree that we should not water on a set schedule. This is due to the fact that factors such as cloudy days, heat or cooling, drought, and other situations will affect soil moisture. The best tip is to feel the ground with your hands. When you insert your finger, if it's dry, it is time to water. So the presence of this e-Plantea allows it to help users to do all these tips. So that's all for my part, and now we will continue our presentation to the next presenter.
Thank you, Nazrin. Assalamualaikum. My name is Afifah, and I will talk about novelty. Our novelty has 4 specialized features. The first 2 features are our main function, self-watering and sensor, and the other features are minimization in design and rechargeable battery. It is also different for other products in the market because most of the products are only self-watering features. Self-watering features can help the owner to water their plant daily, day and night without worry about the plant dying from dehydration. It can also save water because our product will reuse extra water from the previous watering process. Next is the sensor. The sensor in our pot will help the owner monitor their plant health, such as temperature, moisture, sunlight, and nutrition. The sensor also gives a signal to the self-watering section to water the plant if the soil is dry. Other than that, our pots are minimized in design. We do not use heavy material such as clay. We use light material like plastic. And we keep sustainability by using reusable plastic. Hence, our pots are not heavy and easy to move around. The last feature is rechargeable battery. Our product battery can last a minimum for 2 weeks and maximum for 1 month, and they charge only 2 hours to be full. Next, I will explain in detail about our main product features and show illustration that we have made. Our sensor is located inside the pot, so the sensor can detect if the soils need water or fertilizer, and if the soil is moist or not. It also gives a signal to the self-watering section to water the plant, and the light also will turn on if the plants need a fertilization. So, the owner can be alert and take care of the plant. Lastly, for the self-watering, there are 2 compartments in the pots. For the above parts is for the soil and the plant, and the below part is for the water section. There are motors used with the battery to bring up the water from the below section to above part. And if there are extra water, it will go back to the water section. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Afifah. Assalamualaikum and hi. I'm Nursa Sabila. Will continue to explain the benefits of our product to users as well as to society. Firstly, it is easy. Eplantea are the easiest products of plantation for everyone, especially for beginners to grow a plant or flowers at home as well as other places. By having our product, no green thumb is required as everything works out to the box with clear instruction and all the supplies and nutrition you need to get started. Besides, the size is very compact as you can place Eplantea anywhere and will also let you grow more plants in a smaller area. This makes them perfect for apartments, offices or other areas with limited space. Since our special features of products are self-watering, you can save more time and effort on watering your plants. Sometimes we can't commit to watering our plants consistently since we are busy with our life. So by having Eplantea, you can relax knowing that your plants are looking after themselves. Move to benefit to society. By having plants in your home or office, it can be a source of pleasure. Indoor gardening can reduce stress, boost creativity and productivity, as well as improve mental health. There is some evidence that houseplants may positively influence the air quality of your environment as well. We can say that Eplantea are eco-friendly as it helps to reduce water consumption. As Afifa has explained just now, our products can self-watering for 4 to 5 days and have extra water to be used again for another process. In this circumstance, using our products will cut down on time using the sprinkle or hose. If you are chronic overwater, a self-watering pot will definitely help you to reduce water consumption. That's all from me. I will pass to the last presenter to explain about commercialization potential.
Thank you to the previous presenter. Hello viewers, my name is Muhammad Izzuddin. I will continue the presentation on the next part, which is commercialization potential. This self-watering pot has the potential to attract its target market, such as career people, travel people, and people who enjoy growing plants due to its attractive features that differ from other competitors. Moreover, indoor plant has become quite trendy lately among millennials, and also adoption of gardening in residential places such as in urban cities. This is because the pot can help by giving more time to the users for the other activities, especially people who are busy with work or people who are on vacation without harming the plant, because this pot has self-watering features. This pot also has been completed with sensors to make sure that the plant is fulfilled, such as sunlight, water and fertilizer, for the benefit of the plant to grow healthy. Then our target market is people who eat organic food. With our pot, we can help them to plant their favorite vegetables such as spinach, Thai basil, tomato and more, because our pot is easy to store and suitable for all type of houses, especially for unlanded house because the space is limited. They can monitor their plant and fertilizer being used to maintain their plants' health. They can make sure that vegetables that they eat are free from pesticides. Other than that, we also targeted to promote our product to building owners such as restaurants, hotels, offices and so on. This is because plants are one of the decorations that are being used to decorate their buildings. Plants are one of the elements that play an important role in the decoration. So our pots are suitable for them because they don't have to water their plants every day, but just once a week. It helps them to focus on their main operation to generate profits. That's all from me. Thank you.